Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily pin Instagram comment. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then hit right here to open up your profile, and then just open up some of your posts. Then you can scroll down for a bit and tap at your comments to see all the comments at that post. And now if you want to pin some comment, let it be that one, all you have to do is just swipe left to show up that options, and then just hit right here at that pin icon to pin that comment. It says that you can pin up to 3 comments to show them at the top of your post, and the person who wrote this comment will get notification about you pin their comment. In order to pin a comment, just hit right here at pin comment, and now right there it says pinned. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.